So Lex.
Yes?
What did you think of your first scrapping?
Good.
You like getting out and helping?
Uh-huh.
That's good. Okay. This is just a little short video of my 11-year-old boisterous daughter who finally wanted to get out and scrap and pick. So we took her out for a quick scrap run, and she got to get out and help put stuff in. So check it out. It's pretty cool. And if you like and subscribe. And here it is.
Music too.
Okay, Lex. This is gonna be your big. You're gonna get out and pick.
I want to get out and pick.
You're going to. You have to learn sometime.
Oh, God.
Stop.
Wood.
It's not. We're not putting wood in here.
All right.
Do not. Oh, wait. Do not open the door into the trash. Okay. I'm gonna get my gloves on. Come with me. You're gonna get out that side.
Okay. Get out. Great.
Stop. Here. Put that in the back of the truck. Do not throw it in the back of the truck because you can throw it through.
I'm like Aaron.
Let me get some gloves on.
It's leaking.
It's not. It's leaking water from the rain. Stop.
It smells. That thing smells.
I know that. It's an old truck. Come here, Alex.
Wait, I got something.
Put that down.
It's a metal truck. What is this? This is metal.
Pull it out then if it's metal. Really? Okay.
It stinks.
Real easy. Come. Don't poke me in the eye with it.
Not. It stinks. Oh no.
What's that? No, we don't with the TV. Because you actually can't. Well, they're not worth anything.
See, look, I got it.
Okay, bring it over, and you don't smash it into the side of the truck.
Okay.
You just put it in. There you go.
Now I'm getting it.
Yeah, you're getting it.
I don't want to.
That's fine.
Wait, we got more. Ew! Ew!
What?
What are these things? Ew!
They're plastic. You can get it.
It's stuck.
Here.
Ah, these freaking strings.
There you go.
Ugh.
Watch.
Ugh.
Just grab it.
Ew.
There you go.
I don't want to stab you with this. It's a big.
Okay. I appreciate that.
I'm fit in the truck because it's too fat. Can I put this thing down?
I'll help you in a second.
Cut off those tweezers. Yeah.
Give it to me. Come here. Now watch, what we're going to do, we bend it, now it fits in.
I got this big one.
Hold on. Wait.
Oh, there's a bubble.
That's not metal, that's wood.
Watch my head so you don't bang into it. What is this?
Leave. Put it down, it's dirty.
Ew.
Well, you see anything?
Is this quick? Metal?
That classifies as metal. That's metal. You want to root around a little?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Take a look. Okay.
You get that cake for your legs.
Not anymore. We had surgery. Doesn't look like any metal. You're looking? That wasn't metal. That was wood. Okay. You did good, Lex. Let's go.
Are you gonna put some more?
We'll go find another place. Yes.
Okay. Wait,
You like what?
these candles.
There-
Oh, there's some chapstick and I don't want to pick it up. It's gross.
I know.
That's dirty. Don't pick it up.
Come on, Lex.
Dad, I got a bullet.
It's a Nerf bullet.
Yeah, you need to save these.
Ew, it's pretty disgusting.
Yeah, throw it out.
Okay, let's get back in the truck.
It stinks. It stinks.
Put your seatbelt on.
I like doing that.
Okay.
Yes.
Is your seatbelt on yet?
No.
Get it on.
It stinks. What's that powerful smell? What's that smell? Smell.
What was that, Lex?
Aaron could be so happy I scrapped.
I know. Let's go find another one, okay?
Okay.
We'll get it in.
Look how many stuff I put in.
We always do. Now come.
Hey. Wait, no. I don't want to try. This is
Don't-
not even on.
I know, it's empty, Lex.
It's unplugged.
Don't start pretending. We're gonna put it on the tailgate and then we're gonna flip it into the truck.
It's broken anyways. It smells like dirt.
Alexa, people are in the house, so be quiet. Alexa, get out of their trash. Stop the cardboard from. Wait.
It's a real one.
Yes.
Wait, I'm not going in the street. I'm gonna die.
You're not going into the street.
I'm on the street right now. I'm gonna die. There's a car.
I'm the one that's in the street, Lex. Watch.
heavy. Don't break it.
It's already broke, Lex.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
And then it just right in.
Ew. It's in. No,
Hold on, Lex.
because it's metal.
I'll get the chair because you don't want to drag it across their lawn.
Get this chair. Hey, the spin chair. The one that we have in the playhouse.
Hey, Lex,
Yes.
come here. Get on the other side of the chair and help me lift it.
Okay.
This one at the end. That's good.
Now I'm gonna sit in it and try to.
You're not. No, you're not gonna. You don't sit it in front of somebody's house.
Oh.
We might have to look at these when we get home.
And you're gonna try to sit in it when we get home. Dad, come here. Come here.
We don't want that. That's got too much glass on it. Come here. Come here. Yeah, they put tape on it so the glass don't break.
Right, next chair. Carrying it good.
Now, hold on. We don't want to throw it. We don't want to throw it in the side of the truck. Hold on. We want to pick it up.
Don't break my legs.
We're not going to break your legs.
All right, that's too much. That's too much. It's gonna fall.
No, it's not. We're going to go put a strap on it.
Yeah, I'll get the straps. Quick. Strap.
You're going to get the orange ones.
The orange one that attaches.
Yes.
All right. Get off. Can you get this thing off?
That's fine, Lex. You're doing good. We want this.
Hey, yeah. The hat's stuck on it. Get off it. Get out of the hat. That's Eric's baby hat. Oh, yeah, the Jordan. Mr. Barry.
So, Lex,
Yes.
what did you think of your first scrapping?
Good.
You like getting out and helping?
Uh-huh.
That's good. Okay, it's 8:30 at night. It's kind of almost past your bedtime. Say good night to everybody.
Good night.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.